This is a more trying journey and seeing the sights of Lowestoft. We had two little shits down there. Look, let's zoom in on them. Who doesn't even want to sit with us? That's right. You look at us. Woo! Do your train noises again. Woo! No. Here is a rock. It's absolutely useless. A little tree house on the side. Here are some mushroom things.
Skipped over there.
Oh look, there's a pixie! Ah! Look at a pixie. Why?
What do you mean the skipped over there?
Oh, we're in the woods now and it's really scary because it's really dark. There's the blue driver. Me and Lauren and Co with bag ladies and we went in the exit bit, didn't we? Here's the mud. Lauren's now hiding. Oh, look at that mask! There's a mask on there, culprits. I think someone should clean up down here. Here's a sign, what does it say?
Remain seated.
Remain seated. Woo! Bad ladies!
I'm not seated.
Oh, what have we got here? Look. Some other mushrooms and Bambi! A Bambi, oh look! Right, take it!
What did you say?
Oh, look at that tree! That was real, that was. Look, a snake! I'm not even joking, there's real snakes. Look at that! Where?
In my brother!
No? Look at this! That's a monkey! What is it, a crocodile? Bloody hell, there's some good sights in here, isn't there? Bad lady, you're Look at that! It's dark! Will we ever see Lloyd again? Okay. We're out. Hey, we're back at pleasurewoodhils now. We're out of that chorus. That's Lloyd, we're going to go on in a minute to the bad ladies. There's Lauren. There's a big branch. Inside, do it again. Arms and legs inside the carriage at all times. A squirrel! Who is it?
Now.
What? Oh, look at that! Rebel!
One and two stars for that.
This is Shelley. Okay! We are now coming to station. You saw it? Jamie shouted something, I don't know what. Here we are, this is the safety sign. To say everything that Lauren's not doing, she's doing the opposite to everything. When I get under a bridge, I said there's the safety sign, that Lauren's doing the opposite to everything on it. We're here! Thank you very much, driver.